Hello everyone and welcome back to the part 3 of the series Current Affair, which we upload every week and discuss 10 important current affair questions of 2021. In case you missed the first and second part of this series, we will suggest you to watch for some important information. The link is given in the description. Also, you will get to see both the videos at the end of this video. So let's start this video. Question number 1. Petro Fiala has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? And your options are A. Australia, B. Italy, C. Greece, D. Czech Republic. And your answer is D. Czech Republic. Pet Fiala, the leader of the Civic Democratic of Czech Republic, has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of the country. His appointment comes after a five-party coalition secured a majority of 108 votes in the 200-seat parliament. Pet Fiala previously served as the country's Minister of Education, Youth and Sport from 2012 to 2013 and has been leader of the Civic Democratic Party since 2014. Question number 2. Which is India's first certified organic fruit? And your options are A. Apple, B. Strawberry, C. Kiwi, D. Banana. And your answer is C. Kiwi. India's first certified organic fruit, Arunachal Pradesh kiwis, have been launched by the Union Ministry. Kiren Rijiju. Arunachal Pradesh has become the first Indian state to obtain organic certification for kiwi under the scheme Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast region. Question number 3. The India's Young Water Professional Program has been launched for the first time in association with which country? And your options are A. USA, B. Russia, 3. Australia, D. Japan. And the answer is C. Australia. The first edition of the India's Young Water Professional Program was launched virtually under National Hydrology Project and supported by the Australian Water Partnership. It is a central scheme of Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. A total of 20 participants, 10 men and 10 women, have been selected for the first edition of this program from central and state implementing agencies of National Hydrology Project. Question number 4. Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana is a scheme implemented by which Indian state UT? And your options are A. Uttarakhand, B. Delhi, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. And your answer is B. Delhi. Under Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana, senior citizens of Delhi can go on pilgrimages at the government's expense. Kartarpur Sahib and Velankani Church in Tamil Nadu have been recently added to the Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana. The program could not be held in 2020 and 2021 due to the pandemic outbreak. Question number 5. What is the name of the surface-to-surface ballistic missile recently tested fired by India? And your options are A. Rudravi, B. Agnivi, C. Dhruvvi, D. Visakvi. And your answer is B. Agnivi. India successfully tested fired surface-to-surface ballistic missile Agni 5 that can strike targets at ranges up to 5,000 km with a very high degree of accuracy. The test firing was carried from APJ Abdul Kalam Island in Odisha. As per the Defence Ministry, the successful test of is in line with Indian stated policy with the commitment to no fire use. This missile has been tested amidst border standoff with China in eastern Ladakh. Question number 6. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2021 is announced to how many sports persons? And your options are A. 1, B. 3, C. 8, D. 12. And your answer is D. 12. The Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports announced the National Sports Awards 2021 recently. 12 sports persons have been announced for the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2021, which is awarded to the spectacular and most outstanding performance in sports over a period of previous 4 years. 35 number of sports persons will receive Arjuna Award this year. Question number 7. Prashashan Gaon Ke Sang is an initiative of which Indian state UT? And your options are A. Gujarat, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, D. Haryana. And your answer is C. Rajasthan. The state government of Rajasthan has launched a campaign named Prashashan Gaon Ke Sang. It aims to enable access to 22 departments of the local administration for the people of remote villages in the state. Under the campaign, the department would hold camps at every Gram Panchayat to offer on-spot solutions to the applicants. The camps in villages would be held under the observation of respective district collectors on weekdays. Services related to land deeds and issuance of various certificates are also done. Question number 8. Which country chaired the 11th BRICS Trade Ministers meeting was held in 2021? And your options are A. China, B. Brazil, C. South Africa, D. India. And your answer is D. India. On 3rd September 2021, the 11th BRICS Trade Minister meeting was held in a virtual mode under the chairmanship of India. The Union Ministers of Commerce and Industry, Shri Piyush Goyal, chaired the meeting and was attended by Trade and Economic Ministers of BRICS countries. India is chairing the BRICS 2021 under the theme BRICS at the rate 15, Intra-BRICS Cooperation for the Continuity, Consolidation and Consensus. Question number 9. Which one is the longest epic of the world? Your options are A. Ramayana, B. Ramcharitmanas, C. Mahabharata, D. Hanuman Chalisa. And your answer is Mahabharata. The Mahabharata by Ved Vyas is the longest epic of the world, consists of 1 lakh shlokas. Question number 10. Elephanta caves are predominantly attributed to which Hindu god? And your options are A. Lord Shiva, B. Lord Hanuman, C. Lord Indra, D. Lord Brahma. And your answer is A. Lord Shiva. Elephanta is a small island in sea and located at about 6.2 miles northeast from Gateway of India, Mumbai. Five caves are discovered in Elephanta Hills which are related to Hindu religion and especially related to Lord Shiva. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the latest information about NIFT NID 2022.